Hello. So today, from the series of 3 heaters that I got, we are going to continue with this D4. It's a D4 12 volt unit, and the customer sent it. I don't know, they do not want to repair it, or they don't have the parts, or don't know what the problem is, whatever. Very interesting, this kind of submarine elbows here. I'm not sure exactly why this is made, so there are two 90 degrees elbows, yeah, whatever. And as you can see, it doesn't look so good. It's a little bit dusty, whatever. So let's see what the problem is. I already connected it to the battery, yeah, this way you can see it better. Also I have the fuel connected down here, and let's see if we can start it. I didn't connect the diagnostics, so we will start it from the display here, yeah. So we have 16 degrees here on, and let's put a set point of, yeah, 21 is fine. Oh, so this is pretty obvious. Yeah, the fan, I think, I'm not thinking, so the fan sure is gone. I will leave it for a little bit. Let's see if it starts or if it's smoking or something like that. So we have a full picture of the problem. I think I will take this down from here if I can. Well, this is not, it should come down just twisted. I will try it after I stop the heater. So the pump started working. Obviously you cannot hear it. There's a little bit of smoke. I didn't connect the exhaust pipe. Let me just... Well, it's trying to start. Let me just see if it's visible. Yeah. I think it's burning. So the heater is cooled down already. I will remove it from the battery because it didn't have time to get that warm. So yeah, you should always leave the heater to do its ventilation, but we are in a controlled environment here, let's say so. So let's try to take down this periscope, and I hope they didn't glue it. Actually, I can see some silicone here. Is it possible that they glued this together? And I think yes. Well, now they should try to make our life harder, but this already okay. So let's take it inside, because obviously I cannot do it here. Okay, let's see if we can take this, because if not, what can we do? I can't believe this. So it's not moving from anywhere. Everything is glued together, I think. This one is moving, but it should turn. this side, not to this side. Oh, now we see the problem. So it has also a screw. Yeah, and here also. So they were on the other side, I didn't see them. It's a good thing. How long is this? Could this be something that touched the fan at some point? Let me check for more screws. No, is that one only? Well, it started moving. Yeah. Why would anyone do this? Okay. Wow. So it is glued and everything. It's crazy. I never found a heater like this. So let's see that screw. Well, it's not touching the fan, it's right here. The hole is right here, so I don't think that's a problem. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so let's take this. This is also held by the glue. I will not redo this glue, so it's their problem. I don't really agree with it. Okay, so let's try to open it. And we are in. Yeah, a lot of dust. And we should also take down this part. So the heater is from 2014 or 2011, I'm not. I think 2014, so I think it has never been touched since then. Okay, let's take care of this because I don't have them as a spare part. So I think one is missing, one is still here. Let's take the heater out from the case and take a closer look of this fan. Okay, so it's out. And actually we have all 4 of these insulators. Okay, so except from the dust, until here it looks fine. Yeah, it's clear this is the problem. Let's take down the ECU, disconnect all the cables. These are all out. Let's disconnect the fan. And yeah, we need a Torx. I don't have it here. Let me just try to move this camera somehow so you can see better what I'm doing here. Okay, we will take down the ECU. Well, this is obvious. Nothing we can do here. And look here, So it's in need of a little bit of maintenance. I mean, except from this oxidation and dust, it doesn't look so bad. Yeah, of course, even the screen is still metal colored. So let's just take this out. Really clean. Yeah, there is a little bit of carbon and so on, but nothing to be scared of. The burner looks fine. Yeah, no problems, no carbon, no, so it looks very fine. I'm curious to see how many hours this unit has. A little bit of dust at the breathing hole. Yeah, but we can clean this, no problem. Of course, we should change the screen here, and yeah, the gasket, it's still here and it's still in one piece, which is a really big deal. Usually these are cracked. Okay, so it needs a little bit of cleaning, and after that I think we only need to change the fan, some gaskets, a screen, so very minimal parts. Okay, I stopped for a second to show you guys how to take out the screen from here. There are no special tools, so I use a small screwdriver just to get the screen away a little bit from the inside wall, and I have this little thingy, yeah, these little pliers, and it's out. Actually, it doesn't look so bad. I'm quite surprised, because all of the dirt that it was on this heater, it actually looks okay. So here we will put in the new insert. It has a special tool and it only can go in for how much it's meant to. Okay, so we are nearly done with the heater. As you can see, there is some difference between how it came and how it looks now. I mean, yeah, the customers usually like to see this, that you take care of their units and so on. I don't think we don't make any money of this cleaning process, but you know, it looks good and it's good for the brand and so on. You know, I usually take my time to do this, and it didn't get clean with water, so after cleaning it I used a little bit of cockpit spray, you know, that silicone type, and now it looks almost new. Okay guys, so the heater is running fine. It's been running now for 900 seconds, so 15 minutes. Yeah, and interesting thing I wanted to show you is, let me try to put this as close as I can so maybe you can see it better. So we have a stable operation at about 100 degrees of overheating temperature, and also the flame sensor is 220. We have here the thresholds. This means that if this temperature reaches 150, then it means the heater is overheated. If this one, the flame sensor, reaches 290, then yeah, obviously again it means overheating. But the interesting thing, so we have a stable operation about 100 degrees, and interesting thing what I did here on this diagram, let me see if I can make it bigger, yeah, just so you guys have an idea. So this is the heater reaches about normal operating temperature, so about 94 degrees here, yeah, let's say plus minus 5 degrees. And this is when I put up that periscope on the suction end, so the temperature kept on climbing, yeah, and it reached about 170, 180 degrees, and after that I took it off and it went back to the normal temperature, and it keeps on dropping, as you can see. So it's very important to see that those two elbows have a really large impact on the working of the heater, and it means temperatures up to 20 degrees difference at the overheating sensor. So it's very important to know how many things you can connect on the ducting of the heater, because this could lead to overheating, and then you will have problems. Really clear example how this looks on a diagram, and I think I don't think we will get back to 94, but we have a stable operation at 98, 99 degrees. So almost 20 degrees difference just by those two elbows on the suction side, yeah. Okay, so we can say that the heater is working great. The problems were solved. We will clear the fault memory. Yeah, we have these two overheatings, one overheating and one from the motor that we changed, and yeah, we can consider this heater repaired, as you can hear it running. It's right there, so no problems with it. And guys, this is it. I hope you learned something from today, and we will see you on the next one. What can I say? Take care, have a nice day, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of heater videos, more repairs, and whatever we will have here in the workshop. Okay guys, bye bye.